All right, 7:36 our time right now here on this Tuesday morning. Our cold front has moved through. We had a few sprinkles overnight, but now we're looking at some sunshine. Few lingering high clouds, but we'll get those out of here later today. It's 58 degrees now here in town. Not actually that bad temperature-wise, with some light winds out of the northwest around 10 miles per hour. North of the lake is cold as 48 in Hammond and Macomb, 54 in Slidell. Bogalusa, you're at 51, with Houma coming in at 55 degrees. We'll see some cold air coming into play later on tonight. Now, with those northwesterly winds, a little breezy, 10 to 17 here on the South Shore. And we'll see a little bit of a breeze this afternoon, but basically we're looking at sunny, cooler and breezy conditions for today. Cold with some frost expected on the North Shore tonight, and later this week, strong to severe thunderstorms as we head toward the weekend. We'll talk about that in a minute. Right now, though, focusing on today, you'll see those high, thin clouds throughout much of the morning, and I think they'll thin out by this afternoon. Temperatures about 10 degrees colder compared to yesterday, in the lower 60s, but we'll have those northerly winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll get to about 63 in Kenner to Galliano and Houma. How about Gonzales around 60, 64 for you in Slidell, and Bogalusa about 60 degrees, so not too far from where we're supposed to be for this time of year at 62 degrees. Now for tonight, that's when the colder air comes in. How about 34, 35 north of the lake, 46 to 47 here in the city, and then about 40 for you in Houma, Thibodaux, Galliano area about 42. So we are looking at some frosty weather on the North Shore, so take those freeze precautions for tonight. Now the rain a little bit we had is gone. Nothing to worry about now. Live look at radar. The clouds again working the way through the area. Clear skies back near Baton Rouge, and we'll see that here as we head about midday today. As the front moves through, high pressure builds in. That gives us that sinking air, drying us out and clearing us out too. And you can see on water vapor showing mid and upper level moisture. We do have that red and orange here coming in, and that'll give us some great weather today as well as tomorrow. Some dry conditions, maybe 1 or 2 showers possible Thursday, but notice our chance rain ramps up to 90% now for Saturday, and that's when we could see some strong to potentially severe thunderstorms out there with some damaging winds that can't rule out a couple of tornadoes. Greatest threat is the orange shade here you see for parts of Alabama, Mississippi, but does include part of the North Shore here. Rest of us, we still have a chance on the South Shore. It's likely a squall line will move through, and as that happens, that could bring us that rough weather. So for today, we don't have to worry about that. Clearing skies out there, stays clear but cold tonight as high pressure sits over us. That continues for tomorrow as well. That'll move east of us as we head into Thursday morning and afternoon with the onshore flow continuing, and there's the clouds coming back. Then our old front comes back as a warm front, warming us up, making us more humid on Friday. That'll give us some scattered showers and thunderstorms during the day, but then the bigger story does come in for here Saturday morning. This is 10 o'clock. A likely squall line as thunderstorms will come in with that cold front. That could produce the damaging winds and a couple of tornadoes. Now the rain should get out of here by, say, mid-afternoon by 4 o'clock, and then we clear out for Sunday. It looks great for any kind of activities related to the college football championship game, but unfortunately rain returns for Monday, so for the tailgaters through kickoff, looks to be a little bit on the soggy side out there with some scattered showers and storms. Now we are going to be dealing with the 80 on Friday, but a little cooler by Sunday.